Brijesh ji for giving me the opportunity to present the Edgeslot today. Now, as we see on the picture, हमने VP साहब को बहुत बार बोलते हुए सुना होगा. If PNI meetings are a cake, then visitors are icing on the cake. Perfect. So our Edgeslot is on visitors today. And by the way, this is a cake by the Cake Alchemist. And
मेरा फर्नीचर आया तो अच्छा उसके ऊपर एक
so
बेड के ऊपर
firstly, I
आइसिंग ऑन
would,
टॉप
from on behalf of the entire VH team, I would like to acknowledge all the visitors who are there today to glorify our meeting. Mr. Nitin Verma, Mr. Akash Damani, Mr. Kunal, Mr. Jay Kumar, Mr. Sandesh, and Mr. Sudeep. I was just scrolling through a YouTube channel where they were saying something about Edgeslot and visitors, and they said some member from US said she was so enthusiastic to bring visitors to the chapter that she would go to random people in a mart or in a store and she would invite random people on the meeting. और ऐसे करते करते उसने साल में around 50 visitors invite कर दिए थे. And I thought to myself कि invite करने का तरीका थोड़ा casual हो गया था. But jokes apart, we were in a meeting with Team Brahmaputra and I heard Romesh ji gave a very good perspective on what BNI meeting is. So I would like to hear that from Romesh ji themselves.
So my perspective about a BNI meeting is that this meeting is basically not for the members. It is basically a showcase for the visitors. In this meeting, we show to our visitors that what are the values of BNI, what members are doing, what business they are doing, how the referrals are passed, so that the visitor can understand that if a BNI is something value for them and they can decide to join the BNI. And that is why I think that any BNI meeting without a visitor is a purposeless meeting. So I believe that every BNI meeting should have few visitors because that is why a BNI every week we are meeting and celebrating our business for the week.
Thank you, Romesh. So now we are exactly 11 weeks after our in the new term with the new LT, and 11 weeks now I would like to acknowledge that we have had 23 visitors in 11 weeks, which is on average 2 visitors per week. And I would like to acknowledge all the members who have invited the visitors in the past 11 weeks. इसमें से Vedant Shah had the most visitors. Vedant Shah invited the most visitors, but since he is not present today, I'd like to ask Sanjay Mishra ji's opinion and his feedback on what encourages him to invite visitors.
Good morning. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Actually, visitor brings us icing on the cake, and when they are getting a members, they are connecting with the BNI. They are giving us the business. So for inviting the visitor, first we introduce our business with them. Then we ask them whether they are known to the BNI. Some visitors say that yes, we know BNI. Somebody say they have not known to this. Then we explain in brief to them. And then we see that if they want to meet 50 plus members in the morning without their wasting time of business hours, so they are interested to meet them because every businessman wants a networking platform, and BNI is one of the best networking and referral organization from where if they are joining it, they can keep the business. And sometimes we have seen that if visitors are coming, they are connected with our people, and even they have not joined the BNI, but still they have given the business. So that is my experience, what I want to share. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So what is stopping us from inviting visitors? हमने प्रेसिडेंट साहब को बोलते हुए सुना है, give us. So if we have had the advantage of givers gain, we have benefited from the business and we have given business to others as well. अगर ये legacy हम carry कर रहे हैं as a members of BNI Vesta and being the strongest chapters in Baroda, why do we not give the privilege and the opportunity to others to do business on a platform where people where people are networking globally, not just in India, but also globally with 5 lakh plus members. So before inviting visitors, ask them, do your connections have the hunger for more business like you do? Are they geared up to handle more business? Or they could be potential clients to your fellow Vesta members. Why? Why the heck should I wake up at 7:30 in the morning? When I came in as a visitor as Vesta, I thought to myself कि इसके बदले मैं सो सकती थी. And as a layman, I used to think why should I get up at 7 and reach here at 7:30 in the morning? But this was before I came in at Vesta as a visitor, and मेरा जो perspective था that totally changed, and I thought I was doing business when my competitors were sleeping. So visitors are benefited from the meeting because of the diversity, and they are instantly connected to 50 plus diverse business owners in a meeting. They can bring potential referrals and spread positivity and freshness. Employees can also be visitors, your client can be visitors, your vendors can be a visitor. Visitors can be good customers for chapter members, and also who you invite visitors speaks volumes about your connection and also builds trust among your members. So imagine today is 18 July, focused mega visitor day. Everybody, somebody, anybody and nobody are 4 members in a chapter. Everybody invites visitor on visitor day. Everybody gets a chance to networking and generate referral. Anybody gets a referral through everybody's visitor. Somebody gets business, and business. And eventually nobody is disappointed. Anybody is happy and everybody celebrates.
Wow.
So these are the open categories. Next week we have mega focused visitor day, and we would love, as a visitor host team, on behalf of visitor host team, we would love to host your visitors. Thank you.